somehow global regulators don't like innovation. And they think their government programs of fighting health hazards are more effective than actually entrepreneurial innovation. And we're here at, or close to COP7 in Delhi, because this is actually, though most people don't know it, but this is the place where a lot of, where the groundwork, so the fundamentals for very bad policies in the future are being laid. Wake up every morning, have a new crazy idea on how to infringe our individual liberties. And we try to highlight this, to bring this actually out to the public, to inform people that there are these negotiations behind closed doors, which are actually going to affect most people's lives.
We ended up managing to get through 6 checkpoints yesterday. I walked up to the front of the room and we held the sign up for a little while. As I was being escorted out, one of the organizers of the COP7, he came up, he was basically threatening to try to have security officers check my ID. One of the security officers, they basically didn't really care, but one of them even was saying that he liked the sign and he was congratulating us for it. We need to try some kind of an alternative strategy to kind of put pressure on them to allow more people in. So
the very beginning, even going into the conference, the things that I could see is what they are aiming at doing, and they spent half the conference doing this, by the way, is talking about who would be allowed to come to the conference. So we're going to spend half the conference talking about who can enter the conference. Very elite club, right? This is your international organization, international bureaucracy. Philippines, great example. Philippines is a nation that is praised by the FCTC and the World Health Organization. Now elected a hugely authoritarian president who's ready to chop off the heads of anyone who smokes or tries to have any kind of drugs in their system. This big bad guy is the hero of the World Health Organization. So they actually were able to award Philippines an award. When I spoke with the delegation, they were very proud of this. They were almost cheered throughout the event. Oh yes, the Philippines, you've been doing such a great job. So this is what we do. We praise dictatorships and countries that don't have much freedoms in terms of human rights, but they're really good at controlling tobacco. And that's what our international organizations seem to love.
I have the honor to present this award for being the least transparent organization in the entire galaxy to the World Health Organization as one of the major players behind the FCTC. This award does not only show a bricked door for symbolizing the intransparency of the WHO and the FCTC, but it stands on 4 pillars. The pillar of pretending to push for the common good, governmental purity, keeping the door closed, and I think the most important and powerful pillar is causing harm, not preventing it or reducing it. Obviously, we invited the WHO and the FCTC to come to this event, be hosted by us, get drinks, get food, mingle with us, and receive this wonderful Lego award. But unfortunately, our calls and emails were not answered by them.